Hello, Sanskrit explorers. Let's learn to converse in Sanskrit today. Here we have Radha and Yash. Let us see what they are talking about.
नमो नमः।
नमो नमः।
भवतः नाम किम्?
मम नाम यशः। भवत्याः नाम किम्?
मम नाम राधा। भवान् कः?
अहं छात्रः। भवती का?
अहमपि छात्रा। भवान् कुत्र वसति?
अहं मुम्बईनगरे वसामि। भवती कुत्र वसति?
अहं ठाणे नगरे वसामि।
So in this way, you have seen how Yash and Radha introduced themselves. Firstly, they greeted each other by saying Namo Namah. In Sanskrit, this expression is often used. So next time, greet your friends by saying Namo Namah. Then Radha asked him,
भवतः नाम किम्?
it means, what is your name? Yash replied her by saying,
मम नाम यशः।
yes, we have learnt this in how to introduce video. Here, the name Yash can be replaced by any other name. Example,
Mama naama Suresh.
then Yash asked her,
भवत्याः नाम किम्?
it also means, what is your name? Radha replied her by saying,
मम नाम राधा।
here the name Radha can be replaced by any other name. Example, Mama Nama Neha. Here you must have noticed that there is difference in questions. Bhavatah Nam Kim and Bhavatya Nam Kim. Here expression Bhavata is in masculine gender while Bhavatya is in female gender. But the answer to both the questions remains same.